بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
سأل سائل بعذاب واقع للكافرين ليس له دافع من الله ذي المعارج تعرج الملائكة والروح إليه في يوم كان مقداره 50,000 سنة فاصبر صبرا جميلا إنهم يرونه بعيدا ونراه قريبا.
A question concerning the doom about to fall upon the disbelievers which none can repel, from Allah, Lord of the ascending stairways, whereby the angels and the Spirit ascend unto Him in a day whereof the span is 50,000 years. But be patient, O Muhammad, with a patience fair to see. Lo, they behold it afar off, while we behold it nigh.
يوم تكون السماء كالمهل وتكون الجبال كالعهن ولا يسأل حميم حميما يبصرونهم يود المجرم لو يفتدي من عذاب يومئذ ببنيه وصاحبته وأخيه وفصيلته التي تؤويه.
The day when the sky will become as molten copper, and the hills become as flakes of wool, and no familiar friend will ask a question of his friend, though they will be given sight of them. The guilty man will long to be able to ransom himself from the punishment of that day at the price of his children, and his spouse, and his brother, and his kin that harbored him.
ومن في الأرض جميعا ثم ينجيه كلا إنها لظى نزاعة للشوى تدعو من أدبر وتولى وجمع فأوعى إن الإنسان خلق هلوعا إذا مسه الشر جزوعا وإذا مسه الخير منوعا إلا المصلين الذين هم على صلاتهم دائمون والذين في أموالهم حق معلوم للسائل والمحروم والذين يصدقون بيوم الدين.
And all that are in the earth, if then it might deliver him. But nay, for lo, it is the fire of hell, eager to roast. It calleth him who turned and fled from truth, and hoarded wealth and withheld it. Lo, man was created anxious, fretful when evil befalleth him, and when good befalleth him, grudging, save worshippers, who are constant at their worship, and in whose wealth they are acknowledged, for the beggar and the destitute, and those who believe in the day of judgment.